Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I just got my, if I can put it up right, my Boxycharm. I'm so excited to open this. I've been stalking hashtag Boxycharms everything for the September month because all I've seen is amazing stuff and I'm so excited. So, why not better than open it with you guys? Let's see. So this is how it comes once you open it. So what I love about having these cards right on top is that it tells you everything. It tells you, and I'm literally just opening this with you guys, so I don't even know what I'm getting. So, Pretty Vulgar. Ooh, eyeshadow palette. Laura Geller Baked Brightening Blush. Ooh, this is so exciting. Brush sets. Holy crap. Hank and Henry Liquid Lipstick and Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. Alright, so I'll tell you guys the prices, what it's here, and this is the Wildflower Edition. This is so cool. I love, yes. And it's not, this is what I love about Boxycharm is that the product sizes are regular sizes, so I get to use it for a good amount of time. And if I really want to purchase it, I can. But at least I've used it long enough to know that I like it. When you get a tester, you only probably get a tester probably for like maybe what, 3 or 4 applications pushing it. So I like that we get full products with Boxycharm because who doesn't like full-size products? I do. Oh my god, this pigmentation is gorgeous. Let's just do like a swipe. Yes. And this is blush. Oh my god. This is amazing. Let's put a little bit more on there so you guys can see. So this is the blush. Holy crap, it is super pigmented and super glittery, which I really like, especially for the cheekbones, or for my apples of my cheek, I mean, but this would actually be a really good, like, highlighter. That's what I'm thinking. So this blush runs for $28. So already, just the blush, I get my money's worth because I'm only paying like, I think it's $21 with taxes and everything every month. That's all I'm paying. So I'm already winning with this. Okay, so these really stood out to me. Yes. So these are the brushes. I love, and they do give brushes a lot of the time. I think I've already gotten like 3 sets of brushes from them. Yes. And they're not only eyeshadow brushes or anything like that. Sometimes they're like, my favorite highlight brush is the one I got from, it's Luxie, but I got it from Boxycharm. Can't find her. Oh, here it is. So I love this brush to do my highlight, and that's how I did my highlight. Till die. Yes. So this is more of like a tapered brush, like it's like a really small head. Ooh, I love this. This is like if you ever want to just grab the loose powders or eyeshadow and just kind of like pack it in the top or the bottom. This brush would be amazing. Oh my god, it's so funny because I literally the other day I was telling my husband that I want to get some more blending brushes, and look, I got one. Oh my god, they're so soft. Yes. So these brushes run, this brush set right here runs for $18. Okay. Yes. Alright, and the next thing is the roll-on liquid liner. Oh, so it literally rolls. Holy crap. So this is black, and all you really do, instead of like a felt tip that we're used to, it literally rolls. You know how much cleaner my lines will probably be? Oh, yes. And I love it. And then you see on the inside, it's kind of like, it's like the best little applicator, like to like put it in because it doesn't really mess up the little round this doesn't really mess it up. I love this. I'm gonna try this. And it doesn't go anywhere, guys. Holy crap. I was like, let me see. I'm rubbing on it really hard and it's not coming off. That's the kind of liquid liners I like to use. Sorry, if I keep looking over here, I'm looking in the mirror. That's the kind of liquid liners I want to have on my face, because you know it's not gonna move. You gotta go to a wedding. These are like perfect for like brides and photo shoots and stuff like that. Holy cow, it's not coming off. You guys see me, I have not stopped rubbing this. That is impressive. So this Butter London Stroke of Wow roll-on liner, it costs $19. So it says here, create precise ultra-fine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. Wow. That I will be using. I'm kind of excited. Okay, so I was really excited. I was really hoping to get this Hank and Henry color. I was saying it backwards. Pedal pusher, and it's a matte. Oh, yes. Let's see how it applies. Oh my god. It looks gorgeous straight out of the applicator, or out of the tube. Yes, I've been looking for a color like this. That is beautiful. Ooh, I'm really big on smells, and it smells so good, because I honestly don't like it when the lipstick has like a really funny smell. But that is beautiful. Let's let that set and dry. I want to let that set and dry to see if it does not move. So that liquid lipstick, it goes for $17. So I definitely have had my money's worth. So our last thing is, I've been so excited. It's pretty vulgar, and yes, look how beautiful this palette is. Oh my god. Yes, I love this. And this is perfect now for the fall weather. I see myself in this palette for fall a lot. So beautiful. So it's still pretty wet, but I do love how that's so pretty on my skin tone. I'm so excited to try this out. It looks so beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. Guys, this is crazy. I put a little bit of water. The lipstick came off, but it kind of stayed back a little bit. But this liquid liner will not move. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I've rubbed it. Like, look, now it's finally coming off after rubbing it for so long, and it kind of hurts. But it's like still fighting. Like, oh my god, that's insane. I love it. That is awesome. So this going price for this palette, let's see. This palette runs for $35. So we're gonna add all that up, because I'm not very good at math. So I'm gonna add all of that up and see how much the total cost of this box was. Okay, so for this entire Wildflower Boxycharm for September, I pay $21 every month. I get a new box every month around this, I think it's today's the 12th. I usually get it between the 9th and the 12th. I always get it in between that window. And I pay $21, like I said, and I added all that up, what I have in my Boxycharm, and the total cost for all of that is $117. I did not pay that price, but that is what I got through the Boxycharm. And by the way, this is not sponsored at all. I just really love, this is the first makeup box I've ever signed up for. Like, I've heard of Ipsy, I've heard of all of that, and I never really caught my attention, but I don't know what it was about this particular box. Someone was telling me about it, and I was like, oh my God, why not try it? It is full-size products. You're only paying $21 a month. That's it. I can spare 20 bucks. And I get full-size products. Some products that I don't use, that they might not be my color or I might not like them. I use them for my clients when I do my client makeups, like for proms, weddings, and stuff like that. So I use those products. So I see it as a win-win. If there's palettes that I don't want to use, but I can use to put towards my business, I'm thinking about it. I'm winning two ways. I'm picking everything I want from the batch first, and then whatever I don't think that will be my color or that will look good on me, which is very rare, but the ones that don't, like, there'll be eyebrow stuff that's not my color. I have super dark eyebrows, super black hair, so usually the colors that we get are more like neutrals for blondes or for like brunettes and stuff like that. So some of those things I will save for my clients, and I see this as a win-win, and that's pretty damn cool. And we do get a lot of brushes through Boxycharm, so I have a lot of blushes that I will take and I will put into my box of magical makeup. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this of what I get every month, it's kind of like a little surprise, what do you get once a month, just give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. And if you guys really like this look that I have on today, I actually filmed it in my last video, so I will link that down below. And you guys can go check out that video to see how I came up with this look. I hope you guys have a happy Saturday and a great rest of your weekend and fun day Sunday. And I will see you in my next video.